So, a 5-year-old insists that there is more clay after it is rolled into a long snake. Ang sabi, like halimbawa, no, meron tayong clays. Okay, parehas lang sila ng weight, parehas sila ng dami ng clay, pero yung isa mahaba, yung isa naman pabilog. Okay, pag tinanong yung bata, alin diyan yung mas maraming clay? Ang sasagot niya is yung longer, yan yung mas maraming clay. Okay, what situation or what concept is that? Is it letter A, reversibility, letter B, centration, letter C, conservation, or letter D, decentration? Here we have the centration. Kapag sinabi po natin centration, center on one thing, centration. So, yung bata is nakafocus lang siya sa isang feature, sa isang aspect lang ng bagay. Halimbawa, parehas lang yung dami, pero yung kanyang pinagbabasehan is yung length lang. Hindi niya pinagbabasehan yung weight, yung width, no? So, nakabase lang siya sa length. Okay, that is centration. Kapag decentration, that is the opposite of centration. Nandito na po yung ability ng bata na mag-consider ng multiple aspects at once. Kapag conservation and reversibility, these are also positive na po na aspects na nasa operational na po ito na stage, no? And the only correct answer here, kasi nga po, yung bata dito is one aspect lang yung tinitingnan, yung length lang. The correct answer for number 5 is centration. Okay, very good.